How to add a drop-down menu in Wix. I want to have this Shopify tutorials tab under the blog like a drop-down menu. The way to do this is to go inside your Wix dashboard and click edit side to go to the editor. Inside the editor you want to click pages and menu on the left side. Inside here you want to click the page you want to have like the drop-down menu. So we are going to have this Shopify tutorials like a drop down under the blog, and then we click the three dots on the right side here, and then we click sub page. And now this Shopify tutorials is like a drop down menu under blog, and then you want to click publish. And this is how you add a drop-down menu in Wix. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.